Hey everybody, this is Jake Kevin. Sorry this is a hot stream. Yeah, yeah. This got pappy. It gotta be late. Yeah. Let over there. I know it's the pappy. Oh my god, she got here. Yeah, that's cool. Let me see. No mayo. There's no mayo. That's cool. That's cool. This time. Yeah. I hope they like to do it. Uh, Let me get on there. This guy cool dude. And just a cool dude. And okay. It's a cool dude part two now. Yeah. It is a part two. That's a good thing to do. You see? Right here. Yeah, point there. Yeah. Wow. That's all to y'all. It's a cool. I ordered after. Okay, y'all get or after your own. Yeah. Um. Let me try it there. This guy cool. Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome, y'all. I like that. Yeah. I hope you like join me. I'm sorry y'all see that right. Yeah. Like, comment, trying. Share that bit. Oh, one more thing. Can y'all help me through on song? I know y'all get there. Thank you, man. Peace.